The biggest worries for homeowners in Moscow used to be fires, floods and theft. Now, many are asking whether their insurance will cover damage caused by a drone. Ukrainian drones are increasingly striking Russian homes and businesses, and insurers say they are receiving more inquiries about drone-related cover. Warehouse operators and logistics companies are also reassessing how they manage risk.
We are seeing significant growth in demand, primarily from businesses, but publicly available data also points to growing demand among homeowners. A few years ago, insurance against drone strikes was rarely discussed. Today, around 1 in 3 property insurance policies includes protection against these risks, and demand continues to grow.
Lawyers say the market shifted last year after Russia's Supreme Court ruled that damage caused by drone attacks should not automatically be classified as a military risk, making insurers liable in many cases. Since then, insurers have moved drone-related damage out of standard property cover and into optional add-on policies.
As a result, standard insurance policies have begun excluding damage caused by drone strikes. The insurance market hasn't withdrawn this type of coverage. It has simply started offering it as an optional add-on, for an additional premium, of course.
For insurers, the challenge is no longer whether the risk exists, but how to price it. Businesses are driving much of that demand, especially warehouse operators and logistics companies.
Businesses that own property in industrial zones or logistics parks and currently have no insurance coverage are particularly interested in obtaining it. They account for the majority of new requests for insurance policies. And of course, the recent attacks on the warehouses of major marketplaces have significantly increased interest in insurance among sellers who use these platforms and store their goods in marketplace warehouses.
Russia's second-largest e-commerce company, Ozon, says it has had to triple product insurance against drone attacks. And banking data shows that the number of homes insured during the first half of this year increased by 72% compared to the same period last year. What began as a security challenge is becoming a financial one. As policymakers, insurers and businesses search for new ways to manage drone-related risks, they are reshaping not only Russia's insurance market, but also the cost of doing business in a country where these threats have become part of everyday life. Dasha Chernyshova, TRT World, Moscow.